The S24 Ultra's latest CAD renderings revealed that it would be styled similarly to the S23 Ultra. A flat display and small bezels. Because of the dark backdrop, judging the bezel size in those on-leaks renderings is a little difficult. When you choose a lighter background, those narrow bezels show through. The phone is stunning with its thin symmetrical bezels. The phone will feature a flat display, but the glass on top will be slightly curved. It'll feature a 2.5D glass on top, similar to the iPhone X, and the S24 and S24 Plus will have flat frames, similar to iPhones, and the tiniest bezels we've ever seen on a phone. Case manufacturers even shown how thin those bezels are. This time, the camera lenses on the S24 Plus are a little larger. For the longest time, iPhones have been regarded as having the finest graphics performance in the smartphone game. The S23 Ultra revolutionized the game, owing to the sleek Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU. This phone not only outperforms the iPhone 14 Pro Max in terms of graphics, but several tests have shown that it is even superior than the most recent iPhone 15 Pro Max. According to the newest leak, this trend will continue with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU for Galaxy debuted in the Geekbench 6 GPU compute test, scoring a whopping 15,000 points and change. That's about 6,000 points greater than the S23 Ultra. In layman's terms, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a mind-boggling 60% boost in graphics over the S23 Ultra. This corresponds to prior speculations of a 50% graphics improvement. And it's backed up by another Antutu leak showing a 40% improvement. All leaks indicate to a 50% gain in graphics performance, which is huge for a year-over-year update. But it's not just the visuals. Because of the 3nm nodes, this new chip is also very efficient. According to rumors, it will be around 30% more efficient than Apple's A17 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Samsung has announced the Exynos 2400 processor at their developer conference, confirming prior speculations that the Exynos is making a reappearance in the S24 series. According to Samsung, this processor is 70% faster in CPU and 1,500% quicker in AI than the Exynos 2200 in the S22 Ultra. It should be noted that they are comparing a 2024 chip against a 2022 chip. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.